Because of fear and anxiety in the minds of people, especially senior citizens in the state of Goa, government has provided various schemes to public and senior citizens who is above 60 years of old age are given ID cards to avail various facilities like they can enroll government welfare scheme, can avail discount medical benefit in private hospital and free medical treatment at state-owned hospitals. Priority for hearing dates at the legal matter. Higher rates of interest in the bank, discount rate in KTC bus fare, tax benefit, etc. Whether the government has any planning to issue senior citizen identity card to the needy senior citizens immediately, since government issues the senior citizen card only after 45 days or months, thereby senior citizens are denied to avail government welfare schemes. अशें बेगिनल्या बेगीन जावचें, टायम घेता चड. हय, एक म्हयना
अप्लाय केल्ले तीच आसात. Within 1 month, I assure you that we will deliver the ID cards within 1 month.